Welcome to the Logical Manifester. This is where I take manifestation practices and I make them logical, practical. Of course, there's woo-woo things that you can do, but this is logical. What can you do today, right now, to start manifesting your dream life? You're not going to try to manifest. You are manifesting. You're doing it right now with your thoughts, your actions. You already are manifesting. Maybe it's not what you want. So listen in. This is how you can start right now manifesting your dreams. Health, wealth, love, what you want to do, be, and have. You're at the right place. So in order to manifest your dreams, whatever they may be, we're all different. You need to be extraordinary. Extraordinary means extraordinary. You're not just ordinary, you're extra. You're not average. The average person is not manifesting their dreams. You want to manifest your dreams? You need to get out of the average, get out of the mediocre, not by leaps and bounds and quantum things, just a little bit. You just need to be a little bit extra, just a tiny bit extraordinary. Extraordinary. Doing extra, being extra, having extra doesn't need to take a lot of time. You can do it in your downtime. You can do robotic affirmations when you're doing the dishes. You can affirm things while you're brushing your teeth, putting on your shoes, getting dressed, having a shower. That doesn't take any extra time. That's just controlling your thoughts, being aware of your self-talk. Your self-talk is one of the huge things that you can change in order to have an extraordinary life. If you don't change, if nothing changes, nothing will change. So let's work on being extraordinary. Extraordinary just by a tiny, tiny little bit. How can you be extraordinary at the gym if you already go to the gym? Do an extra rep. Stay on the treadmill 2 minutes longer. Do it at a faster pace. There's many things you can do to up your game in a way that you're already living your life. This shirt, this is upping my game. This is not something I would ordinarily wear. It's a little bit too patterned, too bold, too loud, but you know what? I'm trying to change my life. I'm not trying. I am changing my life. So this is a little bit extra. For me, it's a little bit extra. It's a little bit, different than the Costco clothes that I normally buy. But if I want to have an extraordinary life, I need to do something extra. And this is small. I was shopping anyways. I needed new clothes. I don't clothes shop very often. I needed something new. This didn't take any extra time. It didn't take any extra money. Took a little bit of thought, but I am living an extraordinary life. And to do that, you need to be extra. Don't dumb yourself down. Don't try to fit in. Why would you want to fit in? Fitting in is average, mediocre, ordinary. Let us be together extraordinary. Let's do it. If I was coaching you, I would start with little things like the way you dress. Change your hair. Change your thoughts. You've got to change your thoughts. You have to change your thoughts. But little things like wearing something a little bolder than you would normally wear, it changes your thoughts. It changes the way you act. It changes the way you feel. I feel good wearing this. I do. I feel more confident. I feel more extroverted. I feel more out there. I feel more energy. Clothes, funnily enough, can give you energy. They can give you that extra, move you away from the ordinary. So think of ways in your life that you can be extra. Just a little bit. If you're female, change your earrings, change your nails, change your clothing. If you go to the gym regularly, do a little extra, be a little extra. How can you progress at work? Do a little extra, be a little extra, be on time if that's not normal. Actually put in the work. You're there anyways. But get away from ordinary, mediocre, average. You want to manifest your dreams, you need to be extraordinary, extraordinary. You need to change. Nothing changes unless you do. Change your thoughts. It's one of the first steps. Getting control of your thoughts right there is extraordinary. It's extraordinary and it doesn't take you any time. So as always, remember that you are enough. You're enough just as you are. This whole video was about how you can be extra, but be confident in yourself as you are, and then add on these little changes. But right now, you're enough. Don't let anybody tell you different. You are capable of being extraordinary. You deserve an extraordinary life. You deserve a life that's extra from the ordinary, and you are powerful. You are so powerful. You can do this. You can move out of the middle ground of life. You can excel. It's easy nowadays. Everybody's so glued to your phone. If you just start to get control of your phone use, this is totally as an aside, a little bit of a rant, but if you take back all that time that you scroll TikTok and Instagram, if you start to take that back, you have so much power, because the world is zombies. Look around you. Everybody's just scrolling on their phone. So maybe don't scroll on your phone, because then you would be extraordinary. You'd be extraordinarily different from everybody else just by not scrolling on your phone. You can use that time to upgrade your self-talk. You can use that time to read. You can use that time for so many things. That's an easy way to become extraordinary, is take back your time from your phone. I really appreciate you watching this. Thanks so much. If you enjoyed this and you got anything out of it, please like and subscribe. It really helps the algorithm. And watch this video about gratitude. Gratitude is another key ingredient for manifesting your dream life. Logically and practically, not in a woo-woo way, you can manifest anything you want in this world. It is happening for me right now as we speak. It can happen for you as well. Get a grip, become extraordinary. Thanks for watching.